Hey guys, so today I am working on this beautiful boat. This is a Thunderjet boat. They are beautiful boats. The welds on these boats are almost always perfect. If you've ever taken the time to look at the detail in them, it's unbelievable. So I got my work cut out for me today. I'm going to be redoing the railing system on the front of the boat. I will show you guys all what I'm about to be doing. So this is the beautiful boat. I mean, look at these welds. Every single one is perfect. Every detail in this boat has all the features, all the stuff. This is a rad boat. But what I'm doing here is removing these little baby rails, chopping them off, making them tall, making them about 18 inches tall, bringing them in, adding in a curve, because these ones go straight, right across. So I'm going to get started by cutting off these old rails. So now I'm ready to move on to the next step. I've cut the rails off, I've prepped all the welds, all the cut off pieces there. So I've cleaned off every spot so I still have enough material that I can TIG weld to. And then now I get to do some measurements and go inside and bend up some funky new rails. Well, I'm just busy here trying to set up my super mobile welder, you know, and everything that comes along with it. Toilet paper, all my scrap steel, welding rods I'm not going to use. Mobile enough, hey? Okay, so this boat is all done, getting picked up tonight. These are the new upgraded rails. All done. 18 inches high. The other ones went straight across. So they went straight across here. Capped those off right there. And I put in a curve on this so it matches the curve of the boat rather than have them go straight across. I'd say it looks pretty funky. Makes it a little safer up here when you're fishing or standing on the front of the boat. I'd say they turned out pretty good. Now there's a space to walk through here. I moved the stopper. Stopper used to be here. Now I put it right here so it sits in line so nobody trips on it when they're walking in and out of the boat. There we go. New boat rails.